Right, folks, so it's Monday morning, folks, duly, and a lot of you are probably going through the blues. So here to add a few other colors to your day, Horenzo Chambers on the mic and Joel on the keys with Amazing God.
We bless your name, Jesus. Oh, thank you, Lord. From the highest of heights to the depths of the sea, creation revealing your majesty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From the colors of fall to the fragrance of spring, every creature unique in the song that sings, all exclaiming, indescribable, uncontainable. You place the stars in the sky and you know them by name. You are amazing, God. All powerful, untamable, awestruck, we fall to our knees as we humbly proclaim. You are amazing, God. Yes, Lord, who commands every lightning bolt where they should go, or has seen heavenly storehouses laden with snow. Thank you, Lord, who imagined the sun and gives source to its light, yeah, yeah, conceals it to bring us the coolness of light. None can fathom, indescribable, uncontainable, awestruck, we fall to our knees as we humbly proclaim. You are amazing, God. Oh, you are amazing, God.